Is it still obligatory to help a sibling financially when her husband is happy for her to get help from her family and won't provide for her? See, this is a general principle in Islam. Don't ask about sibling or don't ask about the ordinary people. This is the simple principle in Islam. If your brother, if your sister, if your brother-in-law, if your sister-in-law, if your friend, if your neighbor, if your non-Muslims friend or Muslim friends or soldiers who are in need or the ex-soldiers who are in need or ex-anti-Islam who is in need, help them if you can. This is very simple in Islam. This is the general principle in Islam. You have to be good. So if a husband is able to provide it, then that's fine. If husband is not able to provide it, then I cannot say. But generally, I don't care if somebody is able to do or not, because I get lots of questions from the sisters. They say, my husband, I have got 4 children, my husband is not providing me and not even looking after my kids. So this kind of a woman, if she claims any benefits from the government or government is providing her food or clothes or any benefits, that's halal. And if you think that like somebody is in need and somebody wants to help you, alhamdulillah, you can. And regardless of, this is not Islam when you say, okay, if you do good to me, then I will do good to you. I don't want to do bad to that person. I don't want to do good to him because that person was rude to me. No, you don't. A true Muslim is always there to help. Khairun nasi anfa'uhum. That the best human is the one who helps the other human, regardless of what he or she is doing. About husband not providing for wife, ruling is haram. It's haram, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask this person. It is the duty of the husband to provide for the children, provide for the wife. If a person cannot do that, then he has no right to be husband in the first place. He has no right to be father in the first place if he can't provide them.